Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you this flat wall board, okay, and turn into a half fluted panel or full fluted panel, okay, depend on the guy. Right, let's get into it. Okay, to get this wall board, okay, so I go from the starting, so I use storage, okay, come this one basic cabinet, I'll change to this one, double modules, okay, sliding, I change to wall board, okay. So from here, I come pull all the way down here. Okay, this one. I'll drag and drop and make the size like this. Alright. So next, this board, if you want to change the type, you can change the type. Alright. So to become board, right, you change it to the door. So press your B button. Okay, board selection. So it's B button. Okay, I repeat, press B button. Okay, as you can see here, they can edit panel and all. Alright. So in here, we transfer to a door. So we change this panel board into a door. So now we can change the pattern style. Alright. Right click. Okay. Door plate. Panel type. Okay. Then we come to here. Free aluminum frame. No. Go to free also no. Modules. Modeling door. There comes a flameless core door. Okay, I go to second page. Next. Okay, if you want direct filter panel, you can use this also. Otherwise, you can just this one down all the way. Okay, I'll use this one. As you can see here got one left, and here also got one right. So this is the right side. This is the left side. Okay, so for now I just show you the left side. Okay, so as you can see here, this will look like the panel, but it's only half. Okay, so we adjust the size a bit, so it's 1000, right? Okay, down here, okay, I change it to 1000. As you can see here, now it's half. Okay, okay, now I adjust it to full. So my size here is 2000, so this is 2000. Oh, sorry, it's 2004. There you go. We now got full fluted panel. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to give it to half, you can just halve it. 1000. Okay. So there you go. So this one will become your half fluted panel. Alright. So this is still a door. Okay. When you press O, it can be opened. So of course you don't need to become a door. So you can come here, panel, swing door, you change it to fake door. Okay, so it's a fake door. Now you can open. Alright. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Bye.